If we take a look at yesterday analysis, where I have mentioned that it's very important for the price for this bullish breakout 2 days ago that has been formed, it's important that this candle do not return below this area of support, just to confirm this bullish breakout is a valid one. We can see that yesterday candle has created a bearish candle that has returned down to 3350.80, a support level, and from here we can see the price did not manage to close the day below this area of support, which is highly important, also important for the price and also for the bulls, which means confirmation of the bullish breakout indicating further rise in value. So we can see that the price yesterday tried to move further down. We can see that this week, but the price has returned back up. So we can see also on the lower time frame what has happened. In the yesterday analysis, this was around this area here. We can see the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle, which I have mentioned yesterday in the start of the analysis. And also this bearish engulfing candle has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was around this one here, around this area, start of this demand zone where the buys are waiting. The price has returned back down to the area of the support, which is on the daily time frame, confirmation of the bullish breakout. We can see this was yesterday a successful trade for the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description if you would like to join, so feel free to check that. After that, we can see the price has returned completely down. It has formed this bearish breakout again below this area of support, and we can see the price did not manage to reach this area of support, the next one, 3326.95. The price has returned back up. We can see this was a bullish candle. After that, the price formed indecision candle, which usually means continuation of the previous candle, and this has happened. We can see it is a bullish candle, a pretty strong one that has bouncing from this area of support. If we take a look on the 1 hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved. This was a 4 hour, a bearish engulfing candle. And we can see the price is continuing to lose its value all the way back down. And we can see this here, 3339.80, has formed this bullish pin bar, which is a usual indication of the direction change. The price has done that, and we can see here a small bullish candle that has been formed at 3350.80. A resistance level. It was a bullish breakout, which I have shared also with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was around this one here, and the price has reached that area. And we can see after that the price has bounced back down, testing the support, and we can see a pretty strong bullish candle has bouncing from this area of support, which is just indication that this area is a strong demand zone where the buys are waiting, and this is also an area critical for the sellers. If they would like to push the price further down, they need to go again below this area. It will be very hard, but we will see what happens. So what we can expect today, especially for the daily time frame, I'm expecting that the price will rise in value because it is a confirmation of this bullish breakout, which means continuation of the further rise in value. So I'm expecting that the price will try to reach, first of all, the first resistance level. It is around 3382. This is an area here, which you can see it is 3385, that needs to be broken on the 4 hour time frame. But also I will check these levels again today, and also I can see there are small support and resistance levels in between these areas. So I will check them and also put them here, and there will be another template I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis. So all the traders inside the premium analysis group, they get here, they get also template for MetaTrader with these support and resistance levels, so they can also put them on their PC and also make their own analysis if they would like. Now, first of all, we can see that daily is showing that the price could reach higher price levels. We can see that the 4 hour time frame is also showing me that the price has managed to go above the small resistance level, which is also a very important information, which means pointing again that the price could go further up. And we can see the small downtrend. We can see that here, and this was also a small resistance level, which is a trend line, and we can see it has been broken with this candle, and we can see the price has returned back down, slightly down, just to the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and the price is bouncing back up. All these informations are suggesting further rise in value, so the 4 hour time frame is also showing me a further rise to the next level, which will be 3385.07. that will be needed to broken in order to continue to rise in value all the way to 3430.98, which is a daily resistance. Now let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame needs a bullish breakout. Just a minute. Needs a bullish breakout about 3368.89 in order to continue to rise in value. So on the 1 hour time frame, I need to, and I'm waiting outside to see the price making a bullish breakout. If there is a bullish breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. So for now, only the 1 hour time frame, it doesn't show clearly a bullish orientation, but 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame is showing me. So let's wait to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, which is currently bouncing, retracing back down. The retrace could be around this area here of the support around 3360, and then we will see how the price will behave around this area of support. So for now, that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to answer as soon as possible, and see you next time or inside the premium analysis group. That's all for today. See you. Bye bye. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.